how are you? Comment ça va? So those of you that don't know me, my name is Mel. Je m'appelle Mel. And this is my friend. Voici mon ami. And this is Jean-Pierre. Je m'appelle Jean-Pierre. My name is Jean-Pierre. So we're going to start off by saying hello to everybody. So there's going to be some of you at home, obviously. At home maybe. À la maison avec maman, maybe with mummy. Maybe you're at home with your grandma, your grandparents, grand-mère. And we're going to start off by saying hello. So bonjour. We're going to say hello to me. So hello Mel. Bonjour Mel. Bonjour Mel. We're going to say hi. Salut. Salut. Now salut also means bye as well. But in this context, salut is hi. Hi Mel. Salut. We're going to say how are you? Ça va? Ça va? And notice the C with a squiggle. That means it's an S sound rather than a K. So we've got bonjour, salut, that U like an U. Ça va, ça va. How are you? And then we are counting. Un, deux, trois. Notice you have a bit of a H-y sound on that. Ch, like a wa, trois. So trois, you. Trois with that H-y sound, number 3. So we're going to say hello to Mel. Bonjour Mel. Hello Mel. We're going to say hello to Jean-Pierre. Bonjour Jean-Pierre. And then everybody, tout le monde. Bonjour tout le monde. And we're going to say let's go. So on y va. Are we ready to sing along at home? Let's have a nice wave. Salut. So bonjour Mel. Salut. Hi. Ça va, how are you? Bonjour Mel, salut Mel, ça va Mel, 1, 2, 3. Bonjour Jean-Pierre, salut Jean-Pierre, ça va Jean-Pierre, 1, 2, 3. Bonjour tout le monde, salut tout le monde, ça va tout le monde, 1, 2, 3. Well done everybody, très bien, we say well done, bravo.